Bonjour à tous, je vais vous présenter un trader nigérien. Il a fait des millions, c'est trading. Il est bon, je vous assure, il est bon. Avec $1, il se trouve avec $1000. Avec $6000, $25 à $20 000 ou bien à $10 000. Il est bon, je vous assure, il est bon. Regardez les vidéos. Je vais mettre une vidéo maintenant, tu vas regarder comment il travaille, comment il fait les analyses. Il est le pro à trading. Lui, il n'a pas besoin de l'argent. S'il a besoin de l'argent, rentre sur le marché et télécharge de l'argent. Même sa copine n'a pas besoin de l'argent. Non, il est bon, ce type-là. Il est le beau trader. Il a fait des millions sur les crypto-monnaies, sur les quoi, les trading. Non, c'est bon.
We're showing you now right here, and I'll be proving it to you if you can watch this video from beginning to the end. We'll be attempting trading a $1 account to over $10,000 account. We'll be trading this stuff starting from just $1, gradually step by step until we actually hit at $10,000. So that just before we go on, if you're new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, hit on like button, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that'll be dropping out from this place. So not to waste so much time, let's dive in now. Boom. Okay guys, now all we'll just be using today is just a mobile device, only a mobile device. Now there are just two single principles we'll be using to attack the market currently. The first is a candle rejections, that's our rejection candlesticks. The second is a break and close, right? That's just all we'll be using. So guys, let's start now. Okay guys, so these are $1. Let's check out the chart now. If we map out our internal trend now, this is what we're having. Very smooth. Right now, if we check out the star, it pushed up, dropped back down, and got rejected, and now it wants to push up smoothly just like that. Now if we map out the stuff, what do you notice? First principle, our rejection candlesticks aligned at about this region, meaning that this stuff should just start pushing up, right? It got to reject already. Now if we check out the stuff now again, what do we notice? Let me just show you the zones around the spot. First of all, using our rejection candlesticks, we just map out the first here, and then we'll map out the second at about the spot, right? Very smooth. Now after that, what do you notice? This stuff is dropping down, right? After giving a build up here, it's dropping down towards this particular range. So let's go back to 1 minute. Now if we check out the stuff, let me just map it out again for you to see. So it has actually dropped towards this range. So what are we expecting? Hits the spot, breaks down, drops down towards this level, or hits the spot, breaks out, break and close, and push up. A second principle, right? So what are we expecting now? This stuff is at the bottom. Let's stock in some buys already because it's still at the bottom, right? So let's just stock in some buys. Since it didn't drop down, it got rejected. Okay, let's just allow this stuff to push up just a little bit more. Let's add one more trade. Let's just add one more trade there, and now let's expect this stuff to just push up a little bit more. I think we're going to zoom out this trade because we're just trying to expand our capital. Okay, let's zoom out this trade. Let's zoom out this trade, guys. Let's just zoom out this trade. Okay, good. Now we're actually having about 249. Boom. Okay guys, so this is what we're having currently, right? We're actually having about just now, you can see the zones, right? These zones are actually looking very smooth. Now what do you notice happening here? A rejection again, right? Now so what do you think we're going to do? We're just going to storm into some sales. But if we check on our 1 minute time frame, you can see it is actually extremely clear. You can see the rejection happening before our eyes. So let's talk into some sales. Let's just use let's change our lot size to, okay, let's just use 0.01. It's okay, let's just add some more since we're using same lot size. Okay, and boom. Okay guys, so this is what we're having currently, right? So this was actually very smooth. This was a nice drop, guys. This was a nice drop. So let's actually just zoom off the straight now. $13, that's not bad. Let's zoom off. Let's just leave the trade. Let's just leave the trade. Okay, why is it not closing? Let's try that again. Okay, so that's 13.9. That's actually smooth. Okay guys, so this is what we're having currently. So after a few more minutes, few more hours, this is what we're having. Another rejection zone actually forming out about the spot. You can see that, right? Another rejection zone, which is actually very smooth. Boom, it just hit a rejection zone. This is so smooth, guys. It just hit a rejection zone. Let's storm into this trade before this stuff leaves the zone. Let's just storm into this trade, right? Let's just talk into some trades here now before this stuff actually leaves. Okay, so that's what is happening. Let's add some more. Let's just stock into some more. Okay, that's what we're having currently. That was actually smooth. Now this stuff is actually pushing really smoothly, guys. This stuff is actually pushing really smoothly. Boom. Now we're actually having about 53. Okay, guys, let's leave this trade. Let's leave this trade. We're trying to expand our capital first, increase our capital. Boom, 88 bucks. That's smooth, guys. That's really smooth. Okay, guys, now this is what we're having currently, right? After some time, this stuff actually broke out of this region, pushed up, right? Remember, and now it dropped down right towards the particular range, gave a retest smoothly at about the spot, and now it pushed up towards this particular spot again, and we are expecting it to just keep pushing up. But before then, let's check out our 1 minute time fast. Remember, we're trying to scalp here, right? Okay, of course. Okay, we have some trades there. Let's talk in some more. Okay, all right, let's see now. All right, okay, let's just see. Okay, now this is actually very smooth, guys. This is actually pushing really nicely. Let's zoom up the straight. Let's zoom up the straight before this stuff starts dropping, right? Let's just 153. Let's zoom up the straight. 174. Boom. Okay, guys, so this is what we're having currently. Now if you look at this particular stuff, what do you notice? He hit this particular zone, right? And then you can see that he hit this particular spot. What can you see? A break and close, right? Towards this region, right? We are going to stock in the buys, right? I know it's at the top, but let's just stock in the buys. Okay, let's check out on 1 minute time frame. So this is what we're having on our 1 minute time frame, right? Okay, 50 red. Okay, that's not good. Let's just add some more. This is actually still looking smooth, right? It has actually broken and closed, so let's just see. Okay, let's wait now and actually see how this class actually goes. Okay, boom. Okay, guys, so you can actually see that now we're actually having about 400. Let's leave this straight. Boom. Now we actually have about 670. If you check out the stuff, you can see these levels at about the spot. So what are you expecting? A push up, right? Now these are what we call our steps, right? It gets rejected, pushes up, gets rejected, pushes up. So what are we expecting? Some more push, right? So let's talk into some buys at about this spot now, right? Let's talk into some buys because it keeps breaking out and closing and pushing up, right? You can see that, right? Creating our steps. You can actually see this movement. This is actually very smooth. Now this is what we're having currently, guys. At 527. Let's zoom up the straight. Let's just zoom up the straight. Let's wait for this stuff to just hit maybe like 600. Okay, let's zoom up. Boom. Okay. Now you can see this stuff now, right? Now you can see same thing just happened. It hit the spot, got to the spot. So what are we expecting? Pushing up to the next level, right? Because what are we expecting this stuff to do? Push up towards the next level. Okay, let's talk into some trades now because we're actually having a bullish engulfing already. Okay, let's just stock in, use a 1 lot size. Okay, that's some red. Okay, let's just stock into some more. And okay, that's some red. Let's just watch how this particular stuff actually goes now. Okay, let's just see. Boom. Okay, guys, so this is what we're having currently. You can actually see that we should be zooming up the street now. Okay, let's just zoom up the street. Let's just zoom up 1.9. That's okay. That's not bad. Why is this thing not closing, guys? Okay, it's not closing. Okay, now it's gone. Now if we check out the stuff, now this is what we're having currently. Okay, so if you notice this stuff, you notice that it actually got into some cells now into this particular stuff because it has actually gotten rejected at about that spot, right? So let's just stock into some cells. Okay, all right, now we're actually having, okay, now this stuff's already pushing, but let's just stock into some more. Okay, not enough money. Boom. Okay, guys, now this is what we're having, about 1.7k currently. Let's just zoom up the street. Let's just zoom up the street, right? Let's just zoom up this particular trade now, guys. Let's just zoom up. Okay, let's check out 1 minute time frame first. Let's see if this stuff can just drop down a little bit. Okay, let's zoom up. Let's not be greedy, guys. Let's just zoom up this particular trade. Okay, so that's 6.9. That's actually very smooth. Okay, guys, so this is what we're having currently, right? So we're expecting this stuff to just drop down towards this level. I actually just plotted out this level there. If it drops down, breaks and close, then it's dropping down again. So let's check out on a 1 hour time frame. You can actually see it makes a lot of sense now, right? Okay, so you can see that, right? It's about that spot. Now if we go back to a 5 minute time frame or 1 minute time frame, you can actually see that, right? Looking so smooth. So let's just stock into some cells now because that stuff we're expecting to drop down smoothly now. Okay, so let's just, let's see. So this is what we're having currently, right? So that's actually smooth, about 2.8. Let's zoom up the straight. Let's just zoom up the straight, guys. Okay, boom. Now we actually have about 10.9k currently, guys. About 10.9, which is actually very smooth, guys. So we're able to just hit our target smoothly just like that. And that's just how this podcast actually goes, guys. So we're able to just hit our target smoothly just like that.
Il est bon. Je vous assure, il est bon. Avec $1, il se trouve à $20. Avec $6 000, $25 à $20 000 ou bien à $10 000. Il est bon. Je l'assure, il est bon.